suck it, call it, fuck it, view it, jump and log it, surf it, scroll it, pose it, click.
If you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cree, also known as Creative91, and today I'm going to be doing a twist out using Curl Smith products. I am going to be using their entire product line, from the protein treatment to the shampoo, deep conditioner, and their protein leave-in. So you will see how this product line in its entirety reacts on my hair without the influence of other products. This is kind of like a product review. These products were gifted to me and I was challenged to do a style without using heat to let my natural curls shine through. So I'm starting off by using the Curl Salve, which is a protein treatment you are supposed to apply to your hair while it's still dirty before you wash it. And then after you apply it, you rinse it out with water and shampoo next. As I'm applying it to my hair, I noticed it had a lot of slip and it made my curls more defined, which is always good. And the product smelled very nice. So far after using it, I'm giving it a thumbs up and I will probably add it to my routine. Maybe not often, because with this product you're supposed to use it every few washes or every couple of washes. And in terms of leaving it in, it said just 6 minutes for my low porosity hair type. But you know me, it takes me a while to add the product to my hair, so I would say I had it in for at least 30 minutes and then I washed it out. At first I was applying the product on loose hair, then I saw it kind of shriveling up and shrinking. I was like, yeah, no. So I twisted it up to avoid tangling. After applying the product, I decided to detangle it a little bit, because at first I was just rubbing it on and twisting it up. But I like to stay tangle free while I'm washing my hair, because once it tangles up, I'm going to be here for a while and I want to minimize the time that I'm doing my hair. One thing I might say is applying a protein treatment before you wash your hair is quite a weird concept, because as I was applying it, my hair is dirty. I haven't washed my hair in like 8 weeks. So when I was putting a little water to make it damp before I applied the product, it was dirt coming off on my clothes and I kind of got it on the floor. I don't like that. I guess I could see the purpose of applying it before the shampoo, so you can make sure you get all the protein out of your hair before you do the next process and condition and stuff like that. But I prefer to wash my hair first, then apply the protein so I can make sure it penetrates my hair, and then I follow up with the deep conditioner to restore the moisture. Because the way they tell you to do it, do you think it's going to penetrate the hair if you have a layer of dirt and oils on it? So I'm done with the protein treatment. Now it's time to wash it out. So the shampoo that I'm using is the Curl Smith Vivid Tones Vibrancy shampoo. I guess it's targeted for people who have colored hair, as in people who have dyed their hair. And I'm guessing since it's for that, it doesn't strip the hair as bad as other shampoos do, but it still is able to clarify it and get the dirt out. As I applied it, I was pleasantly surprised that it still made my hair feel soft. Like, I thought it would instantly strip it because it was very sudsy, but it didn't at first until later. I think that when I applied the shampoo the second time and then when I left it in, because I like to make sure I get every strand of hair, so I take the twist out or the shampoo in there. I feel like I left it on my hair too long and then it ended up stripping it, which I don't like that. So I think next time I probably will still use the shampoo, but I may mix it with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil just so it doesn't strip my hair that bad, because I like to wash my hair the second time. Nobody got time for, if your hair been dirty for 8 weeks, you gonna just wash it once and leave some of the dirt in there. No. Let's see, so this was the part where I played myself trying to leave it in there and working into every strand. Yeah, it was just on there too long, to the point where the shampoo was starting to disintegrate, so I tried to add more and which it still felt soft, but it just, when I washed it out, that was the problem. Okay, so I'm all rinsed out. Now it's time for me to put in the deep conditioner, which is the Glow Perfecting Conditioner. Now I thought that after doing the protein treatment and the shampooing that the deep conditioner would be very moisturizing and have a lot of slip, but yeah, that's not what I got from this product. The deep conditioner was alright. I still think that the Shea Moisture deep conditioner that I have is better than this product. Now you see here my hair was tangling. I don't usually get that when it's time for me to deep conditioner, which means that the shampoo kind of stripped my hair. Just a quick shot of how the curls are looking with the deep conditioner in it. Okay, so now look at this ish right here. Now my hair never does this with the Shea Moisture product. Like, I really think it was the shampoo again. So I ended up having to add more water and lots of product to try to get that strip feeling to go away. So the front of my hair responded better than the back just because the two textures are different. In the front it's about 4A hair type and in the back is 4B hair type. So even though it was stripped in the front, I was still able to smooth it out. But look at this poof. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. This thing stripped my hair. Look at me trying to do damage control, shaking my head. Okay, so now I'm done applying the deep conditioner. Somehow I done got this hair laid down after having a poodle head, looking like a poop ball. But I guess the conditioner helped somewhat to get rid of the strip feeling. Okay, so now it's time to set the deep conditioner. I'm going to leave it in for about 30 minutes. And we're going to use just a little bit of warm air from the blow dryer just to activate the deep conditioner. Ta-da-da-da-da! Time to move on to the styling. So here I'm using the protein leave-in conditioner, which is called the Featherlight Protein Cream. And I also used the hair mousse because at first I was trying to do a wash and go to see how the product will react on my hair. At first it was looking kind of good because it defined the curls in the back, but as I started moving up, it was okay. I didn't know how it would come out just because my hair was so dry before, so then I decided to do a twist out instead. So when I sectioned off my twist and parted, it was not perfect. I just did it just so I can get a good enough section, but I wasn't going for a clean, precise look. As I was twisting, I had to really smooth the product throughout my hair just so that I can lay the hair down. I think because again it was kind of drying during the wash process, so I'm just trying to smooth out the product, comb it through, and then twist tightly. I promise you I'll be jamming while I'm doing my hair, like for real. So everything's looking pretty good so far. And now the back is done. So like I said, it's not perfectly parted. I'm just more so going for the twist so I can have a twist out and a nice curl pattern. And again, look at me here, still trying to make up for the fact that my hair got stripped from that doggone shampoo. But it's all good because I'm still able to work the product in and smooth the hair out. But what can I say about this conditioner is that I don't think my hair needs all this protein. So I'm not necessarily saying I would get rid of the leave-in conditioner, but I don't know if I would use it that often. But despite all of that, look at my twists. They came out extra juicy. My hair is smelling good. Like, I'm surprised. After that shampoo stripped it, like, it did a whole 180. Okay, it's time to wrap this hair up and go to sleep. And here I am 5 days later. Now I'm getting ready to take down the twist. If I do any hairstyle, I'm going to get at least a few days of wear out of it. So I'm using a little bit of oil to take the twist out easier so I don't get much frizz. I noticed that the longer you leave in your twist, the more definition you will get once you take them out. It takes me about an hour to take down all of the twists, but as you can see, the definition is coming through. So I'm pretty much got the back done, and I'm just pulling out a few more twists to keep going. So I'm all done taking my twist out. Look at the definition all around. It came out beautiful. I'm the type of girl who likes a bit more fluff when it comes to my hair and fullness, so I'm going to go in and start separating the twists in just a second. As you take the twist down and separate them, you have to be very careful, because if you just pull it down and apart, you'll get more frizz. So glide your finger down the middle and pull it apart. I'm just trying to be oh so gentle, because one of the twists I took down kind of got frizzy, but it's okay. Just a few more to go and I'm almost done. And what I noticed was, as the days go by, my hair gets more fuller, so I don't have to keep separating it and I can preserve my curl pattern. And you know what, I can honestly say I am shocked, because my hair came out butter soft, like for real, so soft. So maybe the products do work after all, including that shampoo. And we are just about done. I just want to thank you guys for watching my hair twist video using the Curlsmith products. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to continue to work to get more videos out coming soon. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.
Suck it, call it, find it, view it, jump and lock it, surf it, scroll it, pose it, click, cross it, track it, switch, update, name it, read it, tune it, print it, scan it, send it, fax, rename it, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. 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 Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it.